Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be creating another Christmas decoration, this time with three-dimensional effect using clear plastic medallion. First I use mirror mist on one half of my medallion. I want some gaps between my paint, so I use only a little bit of my spray. Once paint is dry, I use aging paste as I don't quite like this modern grey look. On top of everything, I apply a coat of black paint to fill gaps in mirror mist. You could paint in white, but I want black showing through grey. I'm not sure if you can see on the video how lovely this looks. When black paint is dry, I use white gesso because we must glue rice paper on light colored surfaces. Gesso is kind of a primer but much thicker, so you need only one coat. Next step is gluing rice paper with winter scene. Most of the time I tear my paper with fingers for better blending. I'm gluing on round surfaces, so I also tear my paper towards center, then edges can overlap each other instead of creating wrinkles. Remember to apply glue under the paper and then on the top, starting from the middle, smoothing it towards the edge. I created two very similar medallions to check if they're okay without varnishing. I think it would be better to apply a couple of coats of varnish on top of already dry rice paper. Now we can use silicone molds with Christmas trees and snowflakes to create our 3D decorations. I use extra light air drying clay to fill my forms. I have to say this clay is very light and very flexible and nice to work with. You can either leave clay for drying inside the form, or you can very gently take it out and dry it outside it. For snowflakes, I used soft modeling paste. At this point, I apply snow paste around edges, adding more at the bottom, and I push my trees inside the paste and let everything dry till next day. As usual, you can find links to materials used in my videos in the description below. Make sure everything is left until next day for drying. Once you close your medallion with still wet paste, it will steam up and there is nothing you can do about it. Okay, now the fun part, glitter. I use transparent contour liner and silver glitter in places where we have snow on our picture. I let it dry and I use soft brush to remove excess. Be very careful not to break your Christmas trees with the brush. Then I use varnish on my snow paste and I cover it with white glitter. I love this white glitter. I hope you can see how lovely this shines with all kinds of rainbow bits. Once again, I use soft brush to remove excess when my decoration is dry. I use express glue in between two halves of my medallion and I apply glitter paste when my halves join together. This paste looks awful when wet, but once dry it becomes glossy, transparent with bright bits of silver glitter. Pretty nice finish for Christmas, I have to say. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.